Welcome to a journey of discovery and health right in your own kitchen. Hello, friends. Ever wondered how the humble spices in your kitchen cabinet could be more than just flavor enhancers? Well, what if I told you that some of these everyday spices could be powerful allies in managing your kidney health? That's right. Today, we're diving into the surprising world of spices and their hidden health benefits. Did you know that certain spices can actually help in lowering creatinine levels, a key indicator of kidney function? But which spices are these, and how exactly do they work their magic? Stay tuned as we unveil these 6 incredible spices and explore their amazing health benefits. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Unlock the secret 6 spices to effectively lower creatinine levels. Before we dive into our spice rack, let's understand what creatinine is and why it's crucial for our kidney health. Creatinine is a waste product produced by your muscles from the breakdown of a compound called creatine, which helps supply energy to your muscles. Normally, creatinine is filtered out of your blood by your kidneys and then excreted out of your body through urine. But here's the kicker: when your kidneys aren't functioning properly, they can't filter waste effectively, leading to a buildup of creatinine in your blood. This is where creatinine levels become a vital indicator. High creatinine levels can be a warning sign of kidney disease. It's like a red flag waving, saying, hey, something's not right with your kidneys. So, monitoring and managing these levels is crucial for anyone concerned about their kidney health. But how can you control these levels naturally without relying solely on medications? What if I told you the secret might just be in your kitchen? The answer lies in your spice rack. Stay tuned as we reveal these 6 amazing spices that could be game changers for your kidney health. Let's start our spice journey with a root that's been revered for centuries for its medicinal properties: ginger. Ginger is not just a flavor enhancer. It's packed with bioactive compounds like gingerol, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties of ginger are crucial because they can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that are often linked with high creatinine levels and kidney damage. But how can we incorporate this wonder spice into our daily diet? Let me show you a quick and easy way. One of my favorite ways is ginger tea. Just slice some fresh ginger, add it to boiling water, and let it steep for a few minutes. For a hint of sweetness, you can add a dash of honey. It's soothing, refreshing, and beneficial for your kidneys. Ginger can also be grated into stir-fries, blended into smoothies, or even used in bake. The possibilities are endless. Now, if you thought ginger was impressive, wait until you hear about our next spice. It's not just for desserts, but can be a secret weapon for your kidneys too. Moving from the zesty world of ginger, we now turn to a spice that's as sweet as it is powerful: cinnamon. Cinnamon, beloved for its warm, sweet aroma, is not just a staple in desserts, it's a powerhouse for kidney health too. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, one of the culprits in kidney damage and high creatinine levels. Its anti-inflammatory properties also play a crucial role in supporting kidney health. But how can we incorporate this delightful spice into our daily routine? Let me share a simple yet effective way. One of the easiest ways to use cinnamon is to sprinkle it into your morning oatmeal or cereal. It adds a delicious twist to your breakfast and boosts your kidney health. You can also add cinnamon to your coffee or tea for a flavorful and healthful kick. Or try cinnamon-infused water. Just add a stick to a pitcher of water and let it infuse overnight. Now, cinnamon is indeed remarkable. But what if I told you there's an herb, often used in Italian cuisine, that's also a creatinine buster? Can you guess what it is? Now, let's unravel the secrets of a fragrant herb that's a staple in Italian cooking: rosemary. Rosemary is not just for enhancing the flavor of dishes, it's a boon for kidney health too. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These components help in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are often linked to increased creatinine levels and kidney stress. But how can this aromatic herb be incorporated creatively into our daily meals? Let's explore some ideas. Rosemary can elevate the simplest of dishes. Try adding fresh or dried rosemary to your roasted vegetables or meats. It imparts a delightful flavor and aroma. You can also infuse olive oil with rosemary for a flavorful twist. Use it in your salads or for dipping bread. And for a refreshing drink, add a sprig of rosemary to your lemonade or iced tea. Rosemary's versatility in the kitchen is matched by its benefits for your kidneys. But we're not done yet. Speaking of Italian herbs, our next one is a staple in pizzas and pastas. Can you guess which one it is? Stay tuned to find out. From the aromatic fields of rosemary, we now turn to another celebrated herb in Italian cooking, oregano. Oregano, famous for its robust flavor, plays a significant role in supporting kidney health. Rich in antioxidants and possessing anti-inflammatory properties, oregano is a formidable ally against oxidative stress and inflammation, helping to manage creatinine levels and promote kidney health. But did you know there's more to oregano than just its health benefits? Here's a fun fact. In ancient times, oregano was believed to bring good luck and protection. People even used to carry it around as a charm to ward off evil spirits. Today, while we may not use it as a charm, its health benefits are indeed magical. Incorporating oregano into your diet is easy. Sprinkle it on pizzas, pastas, or even in salads for an extra flavor kick that's also good for your kidneys. Now, you might be familiar with oregano in your Italian dishes, but what about a spice that's often overlooked yet incredibly potent for your kidneys? Coming up next is a spice that might surprise you with its kidney-friendly powers. Stay tuned. Now let's turn our attention to a green herb that often plays a supporting role in dishes: parsley. Parsley might appear simple, but it's a hidden gem when it comes to reducing creatinine levels and supporting kidney health. Parsley is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress in the kidneys. It's like a protective shield for your vital organs. But how can you make parsley a regular part of your diet? Here's a quick and tasty tip. Try making a refreshing parsley pesto. Blend fresh parsley leaves, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and a hint of lemon juice. It's not only delicious, but also packed with kidney-friendly goodness. You can use this pesto as a pasta sauce, a sandwich spread, or a dip for veggies. It's a flavorful way to enjoy the benefits of parsley. But now, brace yourself for our last spice on this journey. It's known as the stinking rose. Any guesses? Stay tuned, because we're about to unveil the final spice that could be your kidney's best friend. And now we come to a spice that's not just renowned for its flavor, but also for its remarkable benefits: garlic. Garlic is often considered a kitchen essential, but it's so much more. It's a key player in managing creatinine levels and supporting kidney health. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it a valuable ally in reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys. But here's a unique health tip related to garlic that you might not have heard before. Consider growing your own garlic at home. It's surprisingly easy and incredibly rewarding. Homegrown garlic tends to be more potent and free from chemicals. Plus, it's a fantastic way to ensure a fresh supply of this kidney-friendly spice in your kitchen. But wait, there's more to come. How do you combine these spices for maximum benefit? The answer is right around the corner. Stay with us, because we're about to reveal the secret spice blend that could be a game changer for your kidney health. As promised, it's time to unlock the full potential of these kidney-loving spices by learning how to combine them for maximum benefit. Combining these spices can not only enhance the flavors of your dishes, but also boost their health benefits. Here are some tips on how to make the most of these spices in your daily meals. Create a spice blend by mixing equal parts of rosemary, oregano, and parsley. Sprinkle this blend on your salads or add it to your homemade dressings for a burst of flavor and kidney support. Make a ginger cinnamon infusion by simmering ginger and a cinnamon stick in water. Sip on this aromatic tea throughout the day to harness their combined anti-inflammatory properties. Combine garlic and parsley to make a kidney-friendly pesto. Use it as a sauce for pasta, a dip for veggies, or even as a marinade for grilled chicken. These are just a few examples of how you can incorporate these spices into your meals. The key is balance and moderation. Remember, while these spices offer incredible health benefits, using them in excess can overpower the flavors of your dishes. It's all about finding the right balance. So start experimenting, find what works best for your taste buds, and embark on your journey to healthier kidneys. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful adventure. And remember, your spice rack could hold the key to a healthier you. And there you have it, folks. The secret to healthier kidneys lies right in your spice rack. We've explored 6 incredible spices: ginger, cinnamon, rosemary, oregano, parsley, and garlic, each with its unique benefits for kidney health. These spices are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. We've shared creative ways to incorporate these spices into your daily meals, from ginger tea to rosemary-infused olive oil, and even a parsley pesto. And don't forget, combining these spices can enhance their flavor and health benefits. So, I encourage you to embark on this flavorful journey to better kidney health. Start by introducing these spices into your daily diet. Try a new recipe, experiment with spice blends, and savor the goodness of these kitchen treasures. Your kidneys will thank you. Before we sign off, remember to show your support. Please like this video, share it with your friends and family who might benefit from these tips, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us today on this culinary journey towards better kidney health. Until next time, keep spicing up your life and taking care of your kidneys.